Heavy ready for departure runway 26 IFR to San Francisco.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, altimeter tree 0.1 tree wind 157 at 4. Cleared for takeoff runway 26.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do thank you very much for your attention, and now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the takeoff. The captain has made tower communications available, so if you'd like to monitor the air traffic system, you'll find that on channel 9 and your headsets in the seat pocket in front of you. We'll give you a little more information about our service plan for our flight this evening as soon as we're in the air. Thank you, and again, welcome aboard.
Today's flight time will be about 3 hours, 20 minutes following takeoff. The captain of the flight is Chris Lapton, and this is your flight attendant, Christine Sanders. Now, please make sure your seat back is in the upright position, your table is closed, and your seatbelt is fastened. And we recommend that you continue to fasten your seatbelt while seated during the flight. Also, refrain from using any electronic devices during takeoff and landing for safety reasons. Your cooperation will be much appreciated. If there is anything we can do for you, please let us know. We wish you a happy flight. Thank you.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
$2,500. 2,500.
Oakland Center, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy is at 5,000 feet, climbing 10,000 feet.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, Oakland Center, altimeter tree 0.1 tree, radar contact, continue to SERFR.
Climb and maintain 15,000 feet, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy.
Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, contact Oakland Center on 126.9er. Good day.
Going to 126.9er, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy. Oakland Center, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy is at 13,000 feet, climbing 15,000 feet.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, Oakland Center, altimeter tree 0.1 tree, radar contact, continue to SERFR. Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, climb and maintain flight level 250.
Climb and maintain flight level 250, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy. Oakland Center, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, flight level 340.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, Oakland Center, radar contact, continue. Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, you are 19 miles southeast. Descend and maintain flight level 270. Keep speed not above 240 knots. Expect ILS runway 28 right approach via EDDYY transition. Cleared to EDDYY. Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Skedaddle Sierra, Uniform Bravo, 028 Heavy. You are 15 miles southeast of San Francisco. Contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5 when inbound on the approach.
Tower on 120.5 Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy. San Francisco Tower Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy 13 miles southeast inbound ILS runway 28 right approach.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, San Francisco Tower. Altimeter tree 0.18, wind calm cleared, ILS runway 28 right approach.
Cleared ILS runway 28 right approach Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy. San Francisco Tower Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy is going missed.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy contact Oakland Center on 119.475. Good day.
119.475 Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy. Goodbye. Center, Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, flying the San Francisco ILS runway 28 right, published missed approach.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, roger. Flight published missed approach. Advise reaching 3,000 feet for further instructions.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy published missed approach ILS runway 28 right at flight level tree 10.
Skedaddle Sierra Uniform Bravo 028 Heavy, you are 2 miles east. Descend and maintain 11,000 feet, expect RNAV Yankee runway 28 right approach via sit-by transition. Cleared to sit-by. Skedaddle Sierra Uniform, Bravo 028 Heavy, descend and maintain 6,000 feet.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be starting our descent shortly. Please fasten your seatbelts. Flight attendants, prepare the cabin for landing.
2,500. 1,000. 500. 400. 300. 300.
Overspeed. Overspeed.
300.
Overspeed. 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 Overspeed.
200. 100. 60, 50, 40, 30, 25.